Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to get the Google Play Store back on your Android device if it has disappeared or been deleted. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Most of the time, the Play Store isn't actually deleted, it's just disabled or hidden. So the first step is to check your settings to bring it back. Go ahead and open your phone's Settings app and scroll down until you find Apps or App Management. Tap on that and then tap See All Apps or App List to view everything installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top and look for Google Play Store. If you find it, tap on it. You will likely see a button that says Enable. Tap Enable and the icon should instantly reappear in your app drawer, ready to use. If you couldn't find it in your settings, or if it was truly uninstalled, we need to download the installer file manually. This is perfectly safe if you use a trusted source. Open your web browser, like Chrome, and search for Google Play Store APK. I highly recommend using a site like apkmirror.com as it is verified and safe. Click on the latest version of the Play Store listed on the site. Scroll down to find the Download APK button and tap it. Your browser might warn you that the file could be harmful. This is standard for any download, so go ahead and tap Download anyway. Once the download finishes, we just need to install it like any other app. Tap Open on the download notification or go to your Files app and find the APK in your Downloads folder. When you tap the file, your phone might ask for permission to install unknown apps from this source. Tap Settings on that pop-up and toggle the switch to Allow from this source. Go back and hit Install. Wait a few seconds for it to finish and you will see the Google Play Store icon back on your home screen. And that's it. You now know how to restore the Google Play Store so you can get back to downloading your favorite apps and games. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.